Mababa yan ha.
Celebrating Tinay's birthday. Hi, y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tina.
Making holla, holla.
Halo, halo.
We're making hollow, hollow.
Making halo-halo.
Mix, mix, mix.
With purple ice cream.
Oh, wow. Ube?
Oo nga,
Hindi na una ng hangin.
Yan, madali din.
Yay!
Kagabi nag-blow ako. Happy.
Kagabi nag-blow. It's dying.
Oh. It's from China. It don't work.
Bilisan mo, Tinay. Ikaw mag-adjust. Happy birthday, Tinay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tinay. Patay na.
Ayun yung pala. Pinilipan na.
Saka na lang nga sa loob mag-blow, nainis na kami. Gusto ko na ng
Shanghai.
parang ang perfect ng ano.
Thank you.
I'll show you what these look like in a minute.
Yellow na lang.
Ay, ako sa ano.
So we take the ice, take the ice,
Nakalagay na lang. Ano?
put it through here, and it crushes it up into nice snow.
Yan.
And then we add ice and fruit and everything else. That's how we do it.
Parang si Mary Joy, parang magtitinda.
It's a little sorry store also.
Pwede ba kami makahiram ng kutsara yung matigas?
Ilagay dito, oh.
Hindi naman namin nakawing eh.
Teka pa, one more.
Sa ubi lang, Ben.
Ano ba ang bukasan ng plastic? Ano ba? Malapit
Di pa bukas yan.
Hindi pa. Muntik na ako mag-give up. Sa akin ko na sana.
Yun na.
Sarap ng caramel, oh. Sarap ng pandesal. Akala ko pa sa halo-halo, parang natuluan na ako. Sana may magbukas nito.
Ito na, Day.
Babe,
No, you get all yours first.
Shanghai. Wow. It's the Shanghai.
I'm just a typical white boy. Shaky white boy.
Ay, apat lang yung ano ha.
Ayoko may nata.
Bilang.
diferensya na sa sahog dahil?
Say.
Maliit yung boat. Ah, madami pa palang natay.
May lima pa si Mika dun eh. Gusto mo, nilagay mo sa yan lahat eh.
Halo-halo lang nila.
Ay, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kapag mapagpatol pa naman ako, may kulay na yan.
So they put all that stuff in, little beads. You know, little beads.
Si Joy Joy,
Jello.
kailangan ko kunin niya yung gusto niya lang kainin.
Ako din.
What's that, sweet potato?
Sweet potato, banana.
The white guy,
Kanya-kanya na.
banana.
the white guy calls this everything in a cup.
Yeah, exactly.
May ayaw, may gusto.
O i-ano nyo daw. Ipakita nyo yung mga sahog. Explain mo.
Oh my God, this
Ano?
is banana.
Banana.
Sweetened banana and then pearl. And then
what's that
sweetened
purple stuff?
sweet
Ube?
tomato.
Ube.
Purple jam.
Jam.
Some ube,
And gelatin.
Banana.
Christmas color.
jello, green, and red.
And leche plan. You will put crushed ice.
Green.
And then evaporated milk and then leche plan.
More green.
The top.
More pink.
More red.
Akala ko kasi red yan eh. Pink pala sa'yo.
Kaya hindi makakuha kami ng leche plan. Wala akong kutsara. Kahatiin pa yan, be. Fair share, ha?
Tinipid-slip lang.
And what's that
Tinipid
stuff
ba
right
yan?
there?
Tapos,
It's
That right
ano
there.
yan? What's that daw?
What's that?
What's
It's
that
a
called?
yema and
Ay,
ube.
caramel.
Oh,
Caramel.
oh, it's caramel.
Yes. It's special halo-halo. Very, very special. Uy, Joy! Sobra naman sa halo, Joy. Ibukod ko na lang yung yelo. Punuin ko ng sahog mo na yung isang baso ko.
Chill na lang kaya, Joy. Uy, paulan na yung halo-halo natin. Okay lang yan. Para ano?
Oh, this is the only thing I think is a little different is put beans. White beans
White
in the
beans. Sweetened,
holla,
sweetened white.
holla.
Halo-halo.
hala-hala, bira.
Oh, and here's the fun part.
This is
Here's
the
the fun part.
Here's the ice. For the halo-halo.
Oh my God, this is trash bags. Why is it put in the ice there?
Maliit ng baso.
Ito yung pinakamalaki dun eh.
Look at the colors, God. God's got the color. He got the color award.
Can I have ice?
No ice for you.
No ice. Can I have?
Masarap kasi po sa caramel, di ba? Gilid sa...
Oh, look at her, the color of hers.
Plain white.
Ano ba ang unahin? Ang gulaman, ang sagot?
Ano dyan? Tapos sa siga.
Uy, add-ons po ako ng beans. Okay, Jen, kuha ka lang. Hatiin mo, Joy. Hatiin mo.
May hating ano ha, wag yung kanina.
Hatiin mo sa walo.
Wag yung kanina, yung matupang.
Yung sakto yung saan na kanina. Bakla wala pang ice cream yan sa'yo.
Uy, may ice cream pa tayo ha.
Ayoko yung ice cream pala.
Sabi ko yung baso ko talaga eh.
Kaya nga, umay ka nga muna ga. Kuha ka doon ng malalaki.
I'll show you how the white guy. I'll show you how the white guy does it. So he takes his cup.
Kontihan ko lang yung...
Wow, it's kind of windy. Bear with me.
Paano lang yung
Puta ko yung ice cream na
So
pala.
I get the cup.
Ito yung halo-halo, naulan gata.
Si Mika wala pang nalagay sa baso.
Ay, ako, pwede po add-ons tatlong beses ng ano? Sardine. Sige lang, Jen. Kuha ka lang.
So the white guy does it like
Kuha
this.
ka lang, Jen. Magkakinay. Halo-halo saging mo yung sis. Bakit nyo eh? Sabi kasi dapat gaganyan.
Hey Wendy, hand me the royal.
Royal yan ng ano.
Royal. Do you want royal?
No, I'm showing you how the white guy makes this halo halo.
Okay. That's ano? Snow cone. It's like snow cone.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tinay.
Oh shit. Hold on here. Having issues.
Okay, dalawa kayo.
Tapos extension naman ako.
Okay.
Bato-bato, pito sobra ha?
Here's about as far as I get.
Parang nagtitinda talaga si ate ah. Kasi pipicture ko ito parang
All right, here you go, white guy. Holla holla.
Where's my ano, Pap? Akin yung isang lata
Oh,
ha.
they ever put flan on it. Oh, that's a good idea.
Leche plan.
That's Oben's leche plan.
Ito sa akin din yung malaki din ito. Looks good, delicious.
Let me see Wendy's.
Yeah, I will put leche.
Yes.
Ito sa akin, ito malaki oh. No garlic, no onion, just salt. Really?
And the fish and the
Organic.
shrimp taste.
Organic.
Plus the corn will make it sweet.
Yes.
Oh.
It's an organic soup. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Gift namin ni Brian. Happy birthday.
Is that enough? Is that enough for a while? Hey, in America, Tina, in America, 5 years.
No, 5 years. So, isang kilo nila.
Only 5 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
5
One,
years.
one half a kilo. 6 months in America.
6 months. Ba? Because Tinay is craving for halo-halo. Halo-halo party. Ngayusaw na.
Ulan na.
Hanap niyo muna yung ice cream.
Para pa yung mga alaga ko, tulog pa eh.
Ito si Mimi, oh.
Binigyan ko na ng ano. May kanado, may carbonara dito. 20 pa nga kasi ang paper plate. Bigay mo sa kanya doon. Para di matunaw na.
Naantay ko pa naman yung ano ni Ga, yung munggo niya. Sabi niya, palumbutin niya na daw kahapon. Oo. Pag-ready na yung tapos ang pala eh. Nagawa kayo, Yelo? Very good na doon, Jeanette. Oy,
Here's the ice. Goes perfectly in there. So,
And you will, ano ha? Look,
watch this.
look.
That's the secret.
That's the secret. So you will broke your crusher. Yeah. That's how the, ano.
And you make your hand.
Using your bare hands.
Push.
Wow, parang yung trabaho sa palengke.
Baka 39 years yan.
That old timer's 95.